Paano mo sasabihin sa English ang ilang buwan na ang pinagbubuntis mo? That's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. My name is Myra Cagete. Yan ang tanong ni Chinky. Paano po sasabihin sa English language ang ilang buwan na ang pinagbubuntis mo? Okay, Chinky, at syempre sa inyo na mga nanonood, I will not give you a word-for-word translation of that in English. Lang kayo ng mga natural ways of expressing that in English. How far along are you? Okay, ito yung isa sa madalas na naririnig ko sa aking mga katrabaho na native speakers of English, or naririnig ko rin yan sa mga pelikula. So, o kaya naman, how many months pregnant are you? So, ilang buwan ka ng buntis? How many months pregnant are you? Yun, kung ikaw naman yung buntis at sasagutin mo yung tanong na yan, then you can say, I am 4 weeks pregnant, for example, or I am 8 weeks pregnant, or I am 8 months pregnant. Ngayon, kung gusto mo namang tanungin kung kailan yung due date niya, of course, yung due date, ito yung expected date kung kailan maaring manganak na yung isang mother-to-be, okay? So you can say, when is your due date? Or when are you due? Ano yung mga possible answers to that? You can say, my due date is on August 1st, or I am due in August, or I am due on August 1st. Ngayon, kung nakikurious ka naman at gusto mong malaman kung kailan nag-umpisa yung pagli-labor niya, yung pagli-labor, yan yung last part ng pagbubuntis kasi lalabas na yung baby. Ito yung napakasakit na part. What time did you go into labor? What time did you go into labor? Tandaan niyo yung preposition, okay? It should be into labor. So, anong oras kang nag-umpisang mag-labor? And to answer that, you can say, I went into labor around 9 p.m. last night. So, I went into labor. Kung gusto mo namang itanong kung ganong katagal siya nag-labor, then you can say, how long were you in labor? So, it should be in labor naman this time, okay? How long were you in labor? I was in labor for around 3 hours. Tandaan niyo yung preposition dyan, ha? In labor. To be in labor. I was in labor for around 3 hours. Kung gusto mo namang i-congratulate ang mga magulang, syempre nagkaroon sila ng bagong baby, then you can say congratulations on the birth of your baby girl, or congratulations on the birth of your baby boy, or congratulations on the safe arrival of your baby girl, congratulations on the safe arrival of your twins. Kung ikaw ay kasalukuyang buntis, then how far along are you, or how many months pregnant are you? Write your answer in the comments.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I can offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows